Hi everyone, you're probably joining this from the live stream, but this is my on-one Pompino single speed. This is what I do most of the alleycat filming on and my live streams. So we're going to do a little bike check. The frame's been stripped, so it's completely raw, and then I clear coated it, but it was once an on-one Pompino. The saddle is just a generic fabric with a non-branded seat post, on-one seat clamp, Cane Creek headset, and I've got a 120mm Hope XC stem on there, and the handlebars are some Spank Spike mountain bikes, cut down to like 760 I think. Grips are these Ode Vans, nice and sticky. And we've got the Spur Cycles bell, very important for Amsterdam especially. This bike takes V-brakes, so I'm just running some generic Shimano grey and grey grips. It also gives room to fit some fatter tyres, but at the moment it's in winter mode. So we've got the SKS mismatch mud guards, aluminium on the back, just a plastic on the front. For the drivetrain, 165 Omniums, and these Merit BMX pedals. Flat pedals are the best for the city. The front chainring is a Miche 50 tooth, just some Zoomy chain or KMC. Pretty dirty from the winter. And the main event on the back is the White Industries 17 tooth freewheel. Super loud. The wheels are just some generic cheap hubs laced to these Halo rim brake rims. Tyres, some Gator Skins 28mm. We've got the Carhartt sticker in there. I'm running some kryptonite lights for when it gets dark. And up here is the chat. So I've got a quad lock to the chat phone. All the details. And here, my tools, my battery, powering the chat phone, any snacks I need. King Cage water bottle. And yeah, that's it. So please follow along for all the live streams and videos, and there we go.